Here we have an Audi Q7. The Audis are not easy cars to do it. It's as difficult as a Mercedes or a Porsche, but here it is. Really bad. Really, really bad. Desperate need of a headlight restoration. Driver's side, passenger side, the same damage. It's just tired. It was due for sure. But don't worry, we're going to make this look like it was new. Just watch. Broward County, we service, look at this. We service Broward, Miami-Dade, Palm Beach counties. We are fully mobile. We come to you, whether it be your work, home, office. Just give us a call, 754-302-0769, 754-302-0769. Text us your pictures of your lights, or text us, call us, whatever you want to do. 754-302-0769, Headlight restoration done the correct way.